हेलो पीपल एंड वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स। आज के वीडियो में हमारे साथ है Citroen की C5 Aircross SUV। You can call it an SUV or you can call it a crossover, whatever you would like to call it। इस गाड़ी की कंपटीशन होने वाली है the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace, Honda CR-V and Hyundai's Tucson। This car is not the longest in its class, but it is the tallest and the widest। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एवरीथिंग अबाउट द इंटीरियर्स, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स दैट यू गेट ऑन द इनसाइड ऑफ दिस C5 Aircross। सो लेट मी गेट इनसाइड एंड टेल यू एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट। सबसे पहले तो वंस आई स्टेप इनसाइड आई एम ग्रीटेड विद अ डार्क थीम्ड इंटीरियर। आप देख सकते हो ऑल ब्लैक इंटीरियर अपहोल्स्ट्री है विद अ मिक्स ऑफ ग्रे एंड इट लुक्स क्वाइट नाइस। आपको काफी सारे कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग एलिमेंट्स भी यहाँ पे देखने मिलेंगे, जिसकी वजह से आपको ये गाड़ी थोड़ी प्रीमियम फील होने वाली है। आज हमारे साथ इस Citroen C5 Aircross SUV का feel variant है। If you want to buy the top end variant, that is going to be the Shine trim। On the Shine variant, over and above this feel variant, आपको एक electrically operated panoramic sunroof मिलने वाला है, which is absent over here। After that, you are going to get full LED headlamps on the top trims, and the top trim is also going to offer you an electric release for the tailgate with a swipe gesture। These are the three features which are going to differentiate the Feel variant and the Shine variant। We today have the Feel variant। Now check it out। The driver's point of view is quite nice and I really like it। आपको एक flat top, flat bottom steering wheel दिया गया है। Steering wheel पे आपको leather wrap मिल रहा है। There is no perforated leather used over here, but the steering wheel is of the right size and it is quite good to hold on to as well। इस स्टीयरिंग व्हील के पीछे आप देख सकते हो आपको पैडल शिफ्ट्स भी दिए गए हैं, बट द पैडल शिफ्ट्स स्टे फिक्स्ड, दे डू नॉट मूव अराउंड विद द स्टीयरिंग व्हील। सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड। यू कैन नॉट अप शिफ्ट और डाउन शिफ्ट यूजिंग द पैडल्स इफ यू आर गिविंग स्टीयरिंग इनपुट। सो जस्ट स्टे अवेयर ऑफ दैट। After that, notice that on the steering wheel आपको काफी सारे कंट्रोल्स दिए गए हैं। This is your volume rocker, this side is for your media, अगर आपको सॉन्ग्स टॉगल करने हैं या आपको रेडियो स्टेशन टॉगल करना है। But this button over here is something that you have to really consider, क्योंकि इस गाड़ी में ये जो डिजिटल स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर एरिया है, यहाँ पे आपको 3 लेआउट्स मिलते हैं जो आप इस बटन के जरिए चेंज कर सकते हो। So check this out, you have a total of 3 layouts। So you have dials, you have personal and you have minimum। Let me select minimum right now। This is the minimum display over here। तो इस तरीके से ये नजर आता है। You can notice that it has a matte texture, the display screen over there, and it feels quite nice and there is not too much of reflection over there। इसके बाद आपको पर्सनल मोड में जाने के बाद ये डिस्प्ले दिखाई देता है। You can select what you want to see on either ends and then you have this dials mode over here। और जब आप इसे सिलेक्ट कर लेते हो, this is the setup that you can notice। Everything is quite nicely done and even the animation is quite cool, so I really like it। And you can notice that you have this shade of red being accented over there in that digital display area। ये बटन जो है ये इस्तेमाल करने के लिए काफी आसान है। And then this speedometer display, you can toggle that on the go as well, so no problems with that as well। इस C5 Aircross के साथ आपको एक क्रूज कंट्रोल के लिए अलग से स्टॉक दिया गया है ऑन दिस स्टीयरिंग कॉलम। The plastic quality over here is just about okay। I don't really like it and I find this very odd। आपको स्टीयरिंग व्हील पे काफी स्पेस है जहां पे ये क्रूज कंट्रोल बटन्स अकोमोडेट करके दिए जा सकते थे, but I don't know why it is a separate unit over here। Some people might like it, some people might not, but the plastic definitely could have been better। और जब आप ये क्रूज कंट्रोल सिस्टम इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हो, जब आप यहाँ पे कोई इनपुट दे देते हो, you also get a pop-up over here on the primary infotainment, जहाँ पे आप स्पीड जो है सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो। So you can select 80, 90 or 110 or 130, whatever you get the prompt over here। You can select it from here and then just press the set button over here and then the cruise control is going to be that much easier to operate and then very quickly set your desired speed। तो आपको individually 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर या 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर से स्पीड बढ़ानी नहीं पड़ेगी। Now since I have shown you this infotainment screen, just have a look at it over here। आपको एक कलर डिस्प्ले infotainment मिल रही है, very nice and large, very easy to operate and the touch response is also quite nice। यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, you have dual zone climate control by the way in this Citroen C5 Aircross and you can control the AC from this touchscreen infotainment। इसके अलावा यहाँ पे भी आपको कंट्रोल्स दिए गए हैं for your AC recirculation, for your air recirculation and then for your defogger for your front glass and for your rear glass। यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा जॉक डायल आपको दिया गया है for your volume rocker and then you can notice यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो you will be displayed the level of volume that you have selected inside the C5 Aircross। एंड देन यहाँ पे एक और बटन आपको देखने मिलेगा, दिस इज फॉर योर इंजन स्टार्ट स्टॉप सिस्टम, अगर आप इको मोड में ये गाड़ी चला रहे हो। एंड देन यू हैव दिस सेंट्रल लॉकिंग बटन पोजिशन ओवर हियर। यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, यू हैव अ ग्लॉस ब्लैक फिनिश, यू हैव दिस सिल्वर सैटिन एक्सेंट ओवर हियर, एंड देन देयर इज टच फंक्शनैलिटी फॉर दीज कंट्रोल्स ओवर हियर, फेदर टच फंक्शनैलिटी है। यहाँ पे जब आप नेविगेशन बटन प्रेस कर लेते हो, चेक इट आउट, इट डजंट हैव इनबिल्ट नेविगेशन, सो यू विल हैव टू rely on your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. After that, when you go to this car icon over here, यहाँ पे आप काफी सारे ऑप्शंस जो हैं देख सकते हो, काफी सारे सेटिंग्स जो हैं इसे आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, चेंज कर सकते हो, एंड देन you have vehicle settings as well. And all of this is going to come in handy when you are driving this car in your ownership cycle. So all these controls are very easy to use, और आपको एक audible beep भी सुनाई देती है when you are making any kinds of changes. So just keep that in mind when you are buying this C5 Aircross. So this touchscreen infotainment, very good to use, very easy to use and very intuitive as well. इसके बाद देख लीजिए जो AC vents हैं, you have them split in two, लेकिन जब आप ऊपर का हिस्सा इस्तेमाल कर लेते हो, एडजस्ट कर लेते हो, the lower section also is accessed and operated by this particular knob. तो ये दो अलग अलग vents नहीं है, they are just separated so that it looks nice and cool. So that is also something that you should keep in mind. The AC vents have a gloss black surround along with chrome accents, so that also adds a nice premium touch inside the cabin of this C5 Aircross. The next thing that you should notice is this grey applique over here. ये जो applique है, it is soft touch. इसके ऊपर ये जो डैशबोर्ड टॉप है, दिस इज हार्ड प्लास्टिक, बट दिस टॉप ओवर हियर ओवर द स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर, दिस इज सॉफ्ट टच। आपको कॉन्ट्रास्ट ग्रे स्टिचिंग भी यहाँ पे देखने मिलेगी, एंड इनसाइड यू कैन नोटिस दैट ऑन दिस ग्रे सेक्शन आपको ये रेड एक्सेंट्स भी देखने मिलेंगे फॉर कॉन्ट्रास्ट स्टिचिंग, सो दैट ऑल्सो ब्रेक्स द मोनोटनी क्वाइट वेल। इसके नीचे आप देख लीजिए जो ग्लव बॉक्स आपको दिया गया है, इट इज डीप बट ओनली दिस सेक्शन इज डीप इनफ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इस गाड़ी का फ्यूज बॉक्स पोजीशन किया गया है। यू कैन नोटिस यू कैन टर्न द फ्रंट एयरबैग ऑफ इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव योर चाइल्ड सीट पोजीशन ओवर हियर। आइसोफिक्स माउंट्स आपको फ्रंट सीट पे भी दिए गए हैं, एंड देन इनसाइड over here in this C5 Aircross, what I really like is this tunnel console area. It is nice and high, so everything is very easy to operate and access when on the go. Gear selector देख लीजिए कितना स्टाइलिश है, it looks quite nice and it fits in your hand quite nicely as well. यहाँ पे आपको एक M बटन भी देखने मिलेगा. This is when you want to take manual control of this gearbox of this car. But यहाँ पे gear selector पे आपको कोई Tiptronic function नहीं मिलता है. When you press manual mode, you have to make use of these paddles over here on this steering column. Gear selector के आगे आप देख लीजिए आपको engine start stop बटन दिया गया है. And then you have these two buttons for eco mode and for sport mode. आपको ये buttons long press करने पड़ते हैं. Total आपको 3 driving modes मिल जाते हैं with this car. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए you have this traction control system over here which allows you to select normal mode, snow mode, mud mode, sand mode, and you can also deactivate the ESP if you wish. अभी जब आप ये मोड सिलेक्ट कर लेते हो यहाँ पे आपको सिस्टम पे स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर पे एक नोटिफिकेशन देखने मिलती है. सो चेक इट आउट. राइट नाउ इट इज इन नॉर्मल, स्नो, मड, सैंड, and then you can deactivate ESP if you think you are bold and brave enough. और यहाँ पे एक और बटन आपको दिया गया है. This is for your hill descent control. After that, in front of this, यहाँ पे आपको एक storage section दिया गया है where you can position your smartphone, but you do not get wireless charging. It is a big miss in a car of this segment and which is going to cost easily over 20 lakh rupees. यहाँ पे आपको एक 12 volt charging socket भी दिया गया है and you also have a USB point which is going to be useful when you want to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Next to the gear selector, यहाँ पे भी आपको एक cubby hole दिया गया है. Very nice and deep, तो यहाँ पे आप काफी सारी चीजें रख पाओगे. Behind that you have two cup holders. यहाँ पे आपको ambient lights भी देखने मिलेंगे. You can notice the light accent over here. And these bottle holders are big enough, तो यहाँ पे आप 1 liter bottles भी काफी आसानी से carry कर पाओगे. But behind that you have the largest ever storage box over here under the armrest. इतना बड़ा storage console मैंने और किसी भी गाड़ी में नहीं देखा है, at least whatever is available here in India. Check it out. Illuminated section है ये, cooled section है ये. And it is just so deep. I have kept a lot of stuff over here and just check out how deep my hand goes inside. And this is going to be very useful जब आपको चीजें कैरी करनी है यहाँ पे. And I really like it. This is a cooled section by the way, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई भी setting आपको नहीं दी है so that you can turn off the cooling function. There is just a slot which is allowing some amount of cool air over here inside this section, and then you also have this particular point over here जहाँ पे आप चीजें रख पाओगे. So I have kept the key over here. Just check out the key of the C5 Aircross by the way if you are curious how it looks like. और यहाँ पे भी आप चीजें रख पाओगे when on the go, so you can just manage all your stuff very nicely inside the C5 Aircross. Storage के मामले में ये गाड़ी काफी versatile है and I really like it. Everything that is offered to you spot on. Ergonomics में आपको कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी except for the fact that I don't really like this cruise control stock over here inside this crossover. Now looking at other details, आपको इस गाड़ी के साथ एक electrochromic rear view mirror दिया गया है. You have LED cabin lamps over here and they are easy to operate, but I just think that the plastics could have been a little more premium and they would have just felt a little bit better to your touch. यहाँ पे आपको एक vanity mirror दिया गया है with illumination on the passenger side and the driver side also gets the same, so no stepmotherly treatment. यहाँ पे आपको एक ticket holder भी मिल जाता है. You have retractable grab handle even for the driver. This is quite rare. ये काफी कम गाड़ियों में आपको मिल जाता है. And then also notice that on the A pillar where the wing mirror is mounted, you can notice you have tweeters as well. Now on the inside is Citroen C5 Aircross में एक feature missing है, that is ventilated seats. अब Hyundai के Venue, Kia की Sonet, which are much cheaper compact SUVs, even they offer that to you. So that is a feature which I really like and it should be offered here in India. अभी ये सीट जो है इसे देख लीजिए. You have a good mix of leather and fabric. You have light grey fabric and you have contrast stitching as well. The leather seat section, it has been done up quite nicely and there is a good amount of foam over here which is going to offer you very good support. आपको lateral support भी दिया गया है, so the cushioning is quite nice, so it is going to keep you in place. Do give the Citroen C5 Aircross a test drive. Do sit on these seats and let us know if you think they are comfortable for you or not. Front seat पे भी आप देख सकते हो, you have ISOFIX mounts, so it is going to allow you to have your kid, your baby next to you in the front end of this cabin. By the way, front seat पे भी आपको height adjustment मिल जाती है, so that again is a convenient thing to have if you think you like a higher seating position when you are being driven around. One more thing that I want you to notice is that this section over here has this illumination, has this notification which tells you if you have buckled yourself up or not. तो अभी मैंने seat belt पहन लिया है and when I release it, check this out. This is going to help you identify if your passengers are wearing seat belts or not. So that also is a very good feature. This is going to be useful for you and for your passengers as well. Now coming to the driver side, यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए that you get electric adjustment for the driver seat. This is going to help you find the ideal driving seat position very easily. Steering column पे भी आपको tilt and telescopic adjustment मिल जाती है, so very useful feature. And then you have this Citroen branding over here on the scuff plate as well. And then notice the door pads, very large. यहाँ पे आप 1 liter bottles काफी आसानी से carry कर पाओगे. And there is a lot of storage space over here as well. You have this same grey leatherette upholstery on the door trim as well. You have this satin chrome accent just for design detailing, and you have a gloss black applique as well. Very nicely done, very tastefully done. यहाँ पे आपको headlamp leveler का switch दिया गया है. And then you can notice you have other buttons, other controls over here, along with a small storage cubby hole over here as well. Look at the footwell area. आपको इस गाड़ी में कोई manual gearbox option नहीं मिलने वाला है, so this is it. आपको एक काफी generous dead pedal मिल रहा है, and you have aluminum finishes on the accelerator and brake pedal as well, and they are very nicely spaced out as well. You are not going to feel that this section is cramped at all. Now let's jump in the back seat and let me tell you if that section is going to be comfortable for you and your family. Now this Citroen C5 Aircross, it is more of a crossover and not a typical boxy SUV. This is a monocoque construction and not a body on ladder construction. So getting in and out of this SUV is fairly easy. Just check this out. I can very easily step inside the cabin, but I will also show that to you when I have parked this car on a flat surface so that you can understand if this SUV is going to be comfortable for you and your family, और अगर आपके family में बुजुर्ग members हैं उनके लिए ये comfortable होगा कि नहीं, ये आप देख पाओगे.
Now let's talk about ingress and egress. ये Citroen की C5 Aircross, it is a tall SUV, but it is not tall to get in and out. आप काफ़ी कंफर्टेबली इस गाड़ी में बैठ सकते हो और इस गाड़ी में से उतर भी सकते हो. Even for your family members, this car is going to be easy to access एंड इफ़ यू हैव एल्डरली इन योर फैमिली, बुजुर्गों के लिए भी ये सिट्रोन की C5 एयरक्रॉस जो है, इट इज़ गोइंग टू वेलकम देम विद एब्सोल्यूट ईज। मेरी हाइट है 5 फीट 8 इंचेस और मुझे इस गाड़ी में अंदर बाहर मूव करते समय कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं हुई। यू मे बी अ टॉलर पर्सन और अ शॉर्टर पर्सन देन मी, बट द कैबिन ऑफ दिस कार इज सो रूमी दैट यू विल हैव इनफ स्पेस टू मूव इन एंड आउट। रेयर सीट में भी बैठते समय आपको ज़्यादा क्लाइंब अप करना नहीं पड़ता है, एंड नीदर डू यू हैव टू स्क्वाट टू सिट ऑन दीज सीट्स। इट इज़ द आइडियल सीटिंग पोजिशन, सो all your family members are going to be very happy in this C5 Aircross.
Now when I sit inside this seat, I have adjusted it to my height. I am 5 feet 8 inches in height. Let me close the door. You have adjustable headrests for all 3 passengers inside in this C5 Aircross. So this is going to offer you additional support, comfort and protection from whiplash injury. Now check this out. This is the amount of foot room and knee room that is available. अंडर द सीट थोड़ी बहुत जगह है मुझे मेरे पैर मूव करने के लिए। देयर इज सम ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ओवर हियर व्हेन द सीट इज एट इट्स लोएस्ट सेटिंग, लेकिन अगर सीट जो है थोड़ी ऊपर होगी तो आपको आपके पैर जो है, आपकी जो फीट है, उसे सीट के नीचे पोजीशन करने के लिए जगह मिल जाएगी। There is a seat back pocket behind both the front seats, and just look at how this seat is carved out so that you get extra knee room, and I am completely comfortable over here in the back seat. Just check it out. There is decent amount of thigh support as well for my height, and there is a reasonable amount of headroom as well. If you are a taller passenger, ये जो Citroen C5 Aircross का जो body shell है, it curves towards the roof area. So this section may be very close to your head and may be very close to your eye line if you are 6 feet or more in your height. So that is something that you have to keep in mind if you are considering to buy this car for your chauffeur driven requirements. इस seat back का जो पिछला हिस्सा है, it is finished in leather, so it is going to be very easy to clean and maintain. Thank God that it is not in fabric, नहीं तो वो सेक्शन जो है बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाता। पीछे के कैबिन में आपको कंफर्टेबल रखने के लिए you have 2 AC vents over here, and you know you can completely shut them if you think you are feeling too cold. यहाँ पे आपको कोई इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्रोल नहीं दिया गया है। You get dual zone climate control, but that is only for the left hand side and the right hand side of the front cabin. पीछे आपको इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्रोल नहीं दिया गया है for your climate control. But where the Citroen C5 Aircross shines is in the versatility in the back seat in terms of the space that you get. So check this out. आप ये जो तीनों सीट्स हैं, तीनों पैसेंजर्स के लिए जो सीट बेंच और सीट बैक दिया गया है, इसे आप इंडिविजुअली एडजस्ट कर सकते हो। So check this out. This section I am moving it forward right now, and this is the forward most seating position. आप इस सीट को भी पूरी तरीके से आगे ले सकते हो, and then you can do the same thing over here as well. Now this is going to be done especially at times जब आपको extra luggage carry करना है, but then you are not going to be very comfortable being seated over here like this, are you? But then this is very unique. आपको इस सेगमेंट में और कोई भी गाड़ी ये फीचर ऑफर नहीं करती है। Now I am pushing the seat all the way back, so this is the rearward most locking position, and this is good enough space for me and I think for the average Indian height. इसी के साथ साथ ये जो सीट बैक है, you can also recline it. So check this out. This is the first locking position, and let me demonstrate that to you on this particular seat. So you have this strap over here जिसे आपको pull करना है when you want to make these recline adjustments. So check this out. This is the first locking position, and then this is the most reclined locking position. So check this out. You can notice the arc. So this is the range of motion that you are going to get when you want to recline it and when you want to sit in a nice and relaxed fashion. So this is quite a good place to be. Seat bench जो है nice and comfortable. Nothing that is making me uncomfortable over here in this position. And when I sit over here, the highlight is that the floor is flat. तो मैं यहाँ पे काफी आराम से बैठा हूँ, और देख लीजिए that there is decent amount of foot room and there is decent amount of headroom as well. So as a fifth passenger, this Citroen C5 Aircross SUV is going to allow you to be happy. You will not feel punished over here in between. तो अगर आप 3 medium sized adults पीछे के सीट पे बैठना चाहते हो, you will be very happy. If you are 2 plus a kid, no problem at all. But if you are 3 healthy adults, of course you will have to fight for some amount of space for yourself. Also, एक और चीज जो मैं आपको दिखाना भूल गया about the driver seat. Come over here and notice this. You have this lumbar support adjustment as well, so this is going to give you added support and better comfort when you're going out on long drives. And also just check this out, this button over here, you have to use this for locking and unlocking this headrest when you want to adjust the height. So that is something that you should keep in mind. Now when you want to sit over here in this particular seat, this is where you will be if you are going to buy this car for your chauffeur driven requirement. Now I'm going to push this seat all the way forward. And now when I sit over here, check this out, this is the amount of leg room that you get. There is decent amount of foot room. जब मैंने आपको बताया था कि कुछ obstruction मेरे पैरों को feel हो रहा था when I was seated over there, it is this particular section over here. This is actually your air vent when you want to direct air to your feet. So don't really try to force it and move it with your feet. It will break and then it is going to cost you. Now being seated over here as the owner of the C5 Aircross, you will be comfortable, decent amount of thigh support and there is very good comfort on my back. ये जो back support है इस सीट का काफी बढ़िया है. There is no adjustment over here for you as the owner, but the seat cushioning is really fantastic. Citroen इस गाड़ी को as a comfortable गाड़ी pitch कर रहे हैं for this particular segment, and in the comfort department this car is acing it completely. Ride quality भी काफी बढ़िया है, so do check out the drive video जो हमने अलग से upload किया है. Now let me show you the other versatile bit of the interior cabin of this C5 Aircross. By the way, rear seat पे दोनों ही side पे on either ends आप child seats carry कर पाओगे. So if you have 3 kids, you can take all of them along in a child seat because the front seat allows you to have ISOFIX mounts to use those ISOFIX tethers, and even the rear seats offer you to place 2 child seats over here. So that is up to you if you want to have 3 kids and then this C5 Aircross. Now let me show you the versatile bit of this cabin. अब ये जो strap है, जब आप इसे पुल कर लेते हो, just look how this seat tumbles and folds. So this is going to be very useful जब आपको additional luggage carry करना है यहाँ पे. So you can be 3 people going out for a drive along with a lot of luggage space. So this is going to make this car versatile and very unique in this particular segment. अगर आप 4 लोग इस गाड़ी में सफर करना चाहते हो and you still have some tall equipment to carry, if you are a photographer for example, you can put this seat in place and you can leave this section open like this and carry some extra stuff. So this is going to be very useful. इस चीज की एक और खासियत है कि अगर आपने बूट एरिया में कुछ रखा हुआ है and if the parcel tray is in place, if you have not removed the parcel tray, आप यहीं से बूट सेक्शन को काफी आसानी से एक्सेस कर पाओगे. So that also is quite a nice touch. अभी आप पार्सल ट्रे एरिया देख लीजिए. The parcel tray is also nice and large. आप यहाँ पे काफी सारी चीजें रख पाओगे. And one thing that you should notice is that the laptop is on charge right now, and that is thanks to this 12-volt charging socket offered to you over here in the boot area. तो आप एक portable fridge जो है, cooler box जो है, chiller box जो है, वो भी carry कर पाओगे इस C5 Aircross में. Check this out, very versatile car and this should keep you happy. But one thing that is missing in the rear cabin is a back seat armrest with integrated cup holders. तो आपको वो चीज नहीं मिल रही है. But for storage आपको पीछे के door pads पे भी काफी जगह मिल रही है. So you can carry full-sized bottles over there, and there is no problem in terms of space that is offered to you inside the cabin of this C5 Aircross for knickknacks. Other finer details inside the rear cabin, you should notice that you get a single USB point below this AC vent. Then you should notice that on the roof you have these cabin lamps. Again you have these LED type soft illumination, very nicely done, and the illumination is not too bright to blind you at night. आपको coat hooks भी दिए गए हैं with retractable grab handles, but the plastic quality is just about okay over here. The plastic quality for your seat belt adjustment is also just about okay. I think this should have been, much better than what it is right now. You should also notice that all 3 passengers in the back seat, they are going to get 3-point seat belts. And check this out, it is quite nicely done. So the third passenger can lock himself or herself up in place, and this is secure. This is how it should be in every car. Now let me open the tailgate and let me show you how much boot space you get with this C5 Aircross crossover. अभी अगर आप इस गाड़ी का शाइन वेरिएंट खरीद लेते हो, उसमें आपको एक स्वाइप जेस्चर मिलने वाला है टू ओपन द टेलगेट, क्योंकि उस वेरिएंट में आपको इलेक्ट्रिक टेलगेट रिलीज मिल जाएगा. इस वेरिएंट में आपको वो नहीं मिलता है. सो यू हैव अ रिक्वेस्ट सेंसर ओवर हियर. प्रेस दिस एंड लिफ्ट अप द बूट. दिस इज द अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस दैट यू गेट. दिस इज वेरी accommodating. दिस इज वेरी generous. आप यहाँ पे काफी सारा सामान आसानी से कैरी कर पाओगे. and with all the seats folded, with all the seats tumbled in the second row, this is going to be the roomiest cabin in its class. Citroen का कहना है कि जो कंपटीशन उन्होंने कंसिडर की है उनके कंपैरिजन में जितनी लगेज स्पेस आपको इस गाड़ी में मिलने वाली है, the cargo volume is going to be the most superior, and I think there should be no doubt in that department. ये जो पार्सल ट्रे है, it lifts up with this windscreen जब आप टेलगेट ओपन कर लेते हो, and check it out, this is the charging point which I mentioned. आपको पीछे कार्गो बे में एक illumination लैम्प भी दिया गया है, and then you have these two cubby holes on either side जहाँ पे आप थोड़ा बहुत कचरा रख सकते हो, और you can store whatever you want to place over there. Everything is quite nicely done. और इसके नीचे आप देख लीजिए आपको एक स्पेयर व्हील भी दिया गया है, and the spare wheel is also a full-sized 18-inch rim, so no cost cutting over there. And to close the tailgate, since आपको इस गाड़ी में इलेक्ट्रिक tailgate operation नहीं मिल रहा है, you have this groove over here, this cutout over here. Position your hand over here and then just slam it. It is quite a heavy tailgate, so you will have to, understand how much effort you have to put in. This rear windscreen, by the way, it is slightly on the smaller side. So जब आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो, when you are reversing, you have to, rely on the reversing camera. Very quickly, I'm going to show you something about the reverse camera right now. Get inside the cabin. इस गाड़ी में आपको 360 डिग्री कैमरा सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है. So when you engage reverse gear, check this out. This is your primary rear view feed. यहाँ पे जब आप टच कर देते हो, check this out. You have 180 degree view, which is quite difficult to understand. Then you have a zoomed view, and then you have this standard view of the rear view camera. I'm going to keep it at auto right now. And now check this out. यहाँ पे आपको एक 360 degree display देखने मिल रहा है, but this is not actually giving you any 360 degree feed, क्योंकि इस गाड़ी में आपको एक सिंगल कैमरा दिया गया है, which is positioned on the tailgate. You do not have cameras mounted on either of the wing mirrors and on the front end of this car. So when you start reversing, check this out. It will start filling up this section, so the camera remembers what it saw, and then you will get a 360 degree view. So this is, I guess, a cheat code that Citroen has found out to offer you 360 degree view without giving you 4 cameras in this C5 Aircross. So this is something that you have to keep in mind. When you start driving forward, this is not going to fill up completely, so you will have to keep reversing till the time that completely fills up and you get a good view from that camera. So guys, that's about it in terms of the features that you get on the inside, and the cabin is quite spacious, and it is a very roomy car, and it is a very practical car, and most importantly, it is a very comfortable car. इसके जो हमने अलग वीडियोस अपलोड किए हैं, do check it out and let us know what is your opinion about this Citroen C5 Aircross. Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press the bell icon. Let us know what you think of this car compared to competition, and if you will spend your hard-earned money and bring a new car home from an all-new brand here in India. See you soon. Always wear your seat belts, and guys, drive safe.